welcome to my YouTube channel Ahsan CodeBytes. My name is Ahsan and in this video we will try to learn and create number guessing game in Python 3. So let's start. First of all, I would like to explain some of things about number of guessing game in Python 3. Most of the geeks from a CS computer science background think of their very first project after doing a programming language. Here you will get your very first project and the basic one in this article. So what we are trying to do right now, we are I'm going to show you the steps. I'm going to build a number of guessing game in which the user select a range. Let's say user selected a range, for example from A to B, where A and B belong to integer. Some random integers will be selected by a system and the user has to guess the integer in the minimum number of guess. So what about the algorithm of this program? So the minimum number of guesses depends upon a range and the compiler most calculate the minimum number of guess depends upon the range on its own. For this we have the formula minimum number of guessing is equals to log 2 upper bound minus lower bound plus 1. So let's discuss about the algorithm. I'm going to use some of the steps that are usually used in my Python program. First, user inputs the lower bound and upper bound of the range. The compiler generates a random integer between a range and stores it in a variable for future reference. For repetitive guessing, a while loop will be initialized. If the user guessed a number which is greater than a randomly selected number, the user gets an input, try again, you guessed too high. Else if the user guessed a number which is smaller than a randomly selected number, the user gets an output, try again, you guessed too small, and so on. So below is the implementation of the algorithm. So let's get to the code side. Number guessing game in Python 3. First of all, we have to import random library and math library in Python program. After that, we have to create and take input for lower and upper bound, that is lower equals to integer input enter lower bound. Second input upper equals to for lower and for upper integer input enter upper bound, that is for taking input sides. After that, generating for random numbers between the lower and upper, x equals to random rand integer lower and upper for both as we declared above. Print backslash and backslash t, you have only round math.log as we declare above, upper minus lower plus 1 comma 2 chance to guess to an integer. First of all, initialize the number of guessing. First we declare count equals to 0. For calculation of minimum number of guessing depends upon the range, that is while we are using while loop for that. While count less than math.log upper minus lower plus 1 comma 2, then count plus equals to 1. Now taking guess number as an input, how to take this in Python program, that is guess is equals to, we are declaring guess is equals to integer input guess a number, then we will take this side from as an input value and verify the condition testing. If x is equals to guess, print congratulations you did it in and count equals to try. Once guessed, loop will break in this side. After that, else if condition will run and x greater than guess, print you guessed too small, and else if x less than guess, then print you guessed too high. After that, if guessing is more than required guesses, show this output. If count greater than or equal to math.log upper minus lower plus 1 comma 2, then print new line, the number is percentage that is declared above and percent %x. Print better luck next time. Here is our code to create number guessing program in Python. Let's execute it. I'm just copying this and pasting in the next line. As you can see, the whole code is up right now. I'm going to create a new one, that is Python 3, paste a new one. As you can see, the whole code is pasted right now. Run. Enter lower bound. I'm going to write 1, enter upper bound. The upper bound is 5, enter. You have only 2 chances to guess the integer. Now I have only 2 chances and I'm writing right now that is 3. Congratulations, you did it in one try. Great, I have done it. Now let's try with another try. Run. 2. 10. You have only 3 chances to guess the integer. Now I'm entering 4. You guessed too high, so I have to enter less than 3, right? So I'm going to enter 3. You guessed too high, and now I'm going to enter 2. Congratulations, you did it in 3 tries. So as you can see, I have done within 3 times. System and my program is working perfectly fine. Hope you like this video and you can easily create your own guessing program in Python 3. So please do subscribe my channel, keep supporting us. Thank you so much.